All right, in this lesson, we are going to be talking about using AI to accelerate your journal reviews and your reviews in general. And we're going to use a CustomGPT for this. So if you don't know what a CustomGPT is, basically it is a feature of ChatGPT that lets you combine instructions, extra knowledge, and any combination of skills to create an AI that is personalized for you. Now, there are different ways to do this. For example, if you've been using the Notion system, Notion AI actually has the built-in function to do this already. But if for whatever reason you don't want to use Notion, I'm going to show you how to do it in a CustomGPT here. So you want to go to chatgpt.com/gpts and then hit the create button, and it will open up this screen here to let you configure your CustomGPT. Now, let me flick over to one I have already set up for myself, so you'll be able to see what this looks like. All right, I've called this one Aaron's Strategic Coach AI, and it is a direct analytical life and executive coach, and here is what the description looks like. This GPT acts as a life and executive coach, helping users analyze their daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly, and annual journal entries and all other documents such as so on and so forth. It challenges assumptions, plays devil's advocate, ensures a balanced perspective on decisions, goals, and personal development, incorporates wisdom from, here are some people that I like to follow. Coaching style is direct and no nonsense, cutting through excess, and so on and so forth, right? You have access to all these instructions that you can just copy paste into your own custom GPT, but you can also modify this however you like. So if you don't like the direct and no nonsense style, you can change that to whatever you like, and the GPT will respect that. Now, in this project knowledge section, what I've actually done here is exported my journal entries for all these things. So you recognize a few of these: the 5-year, the 10-year visions, the annual, the daily. So these dailies actually combines all my daily journal entries for this year so far. Same with mission and purpose. You've got the values document. I have a couple of extra files here, vices and virtues and motivation, which you will also have. But basically you want to export all of these in text files and then import them here into the knowledge base. And then you can go ahead and ask it questions. So let me show you what that looks like now. So I can ask things like, I'm doing my monthly journal entry for January 2025. You already have my daily and weekly journal entries as well as my draft monthly journal entry for January 2025. Please help me kickstart this monthly review with your analysis and ask me questions as needed. Am I moving fast enough? Am I wasting time on things? And what else? And then you would just go ahead and run that query. I'm not going to go ahead and run the query because it's going to show up my actual journal entry data. But you can also ask it other questions like, what are some recurring themes in my decision-making? Or say, please challenge some assumptions about my latest goals. So as long as you're keeping this project knowledge up to date, the AI is actually going to be remarkably accurate in giving you advice and finding blind spots that you may have missed.